Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by to share 3 tags that I made with the Not Too Shabby October 2022 Stamp and Die of the Month, plus some fun new tag dies from Sunny Studios. All the information will be in the description box below, as well as any products still available in the Not Too Shabby shop. So to kick off, I did use, let me find here, like I said, the October 2022 box of the month from Not Too Shabby. It is sold out, but I think some of this, maybe the paper, might be available individually. If it is, I will link it below. Use this cute owl set, holiday owls. I just love those owls. And then I used the Deck the Owls paper pad. And then I am on a tag kick, which I think I have mentioned. So I got the Sunny Studio mini mat and tag dies. I have 1, 2, and 3 that I got from the Not Too Shabby shop. And then there is a 4th one, I did purchase that, which you will see in another video. But I like them because they do have the little mat, the tags, and then they have where you can kind of add elements to it. So they were really fun and really neat. And then, of course, I used some This Calls for Confetti. This is Pirate Gold. So for my cards, or not my cards, my tags, like I said, I used those dies. I mixed and matched to create some fun tags. They went together really easy, but I think they look really nice. Give a little bit closer up look there. And I don't know, I've never really done tags. I looked back at my blog and it looks like I've only made 8 tags before this, and I don't know, I just was like, oh, I don't need to make tags. And so all of a sudden I'm on a tag kick. I just think that there's something special. You could add them to a card, you could add them to a gift, you could use them as a bookmark. Lots and lots of things you can do. Starting November 1st, I'm going to have a tag a day. I will talk more about that in a separate video. But if you have never made tags or you'd like to make them, I'd love to have you join me for that. I did originally plan on having more to share with you today, but my son surprised me and came home for the weekend. He actually took us out to a comedy club on Friday night, way past my bedtime, and then Saturday was spent doing some other things, and I was on Crafty L's Oh So Inspired. And then Sunday, we played some games, we carved some pumpkins. So I was unable to get all of the tags done that I wanted to, which actually means good news, because that means that I will be back later in the week or early next week with these tags part 2. So again, these were the ones that I made today. And then next week, I will be sharing tags made with the other part of the box of the month, the Winter Magic, the Nutcracker dolls, and that Snow Bloom This Calls for Confetti that came with the box of the month. I already have my images colored. I just need to sit down and put them all together. So again, I will be back either later in the week or beginning of next week with tags part 2. So there are my 3 tags for today using that Not Too Shabby October 2022 box of the month. It is getting close to November. I have seen peaks of the November box of the month. So I'm telling you, on the 1st, if you're not already subscribed, I would head on over there and subscribe. I also have seen peaks of the Stamp and Die. It is super adorable. So 9 o'clock on the 1st, Central Standard Time, that's when it all releases. That's when I would be there to sign up or purchase it, because I can guarantee these are going to sell out. They are so cute. Thanks so much for stopping by, and until my next video, have a great day.